Hello guys, so this will be the chain rule. Um, okay, so basically for number 43, that is the wrong color. 43. So it basically asks, so f of x equals x minus 1. So this is the given equation. So basically, no one in absolute value. Basically, it takes the non-negative version of a number. So if it's a positive value, then it stays the same. But if it's a negative value, then it switches to its opposite. So an alternative way to write absolute value of x would be as x squared square root, which equals x squared to the 1 half power. So now, the chain rule basically states that when we have f of g of x, that the derivative takes the form of f prime, of g of x multiplied by g prime of x. And I've basically color-coded them to basically make it easier to follow. So this is the derivative of any composite function where basically we have one function inside of another. This is clearly x to two different powers, so that makes it a composite function. So knowing that the absolute value of something is basically that number squared and then taken to the 1/2 power, we now know that we can basically say that, yeah, that is the right color. So we have two sets of parentheses basically. X minus 1 is basically our inside function, and that's squared. Then from there we have to the 1/2 power. So unfortunately we can't actually take the derivative of x minus 1 as is. So basically from there we just need to basically get rid of this exponent, the square exponent, so that we can make it into just a regular polynomial that's not factored out. So for right now, we just want to do x minus 1 times x minus 1. So, which basically I'm actually going to stop using the pen for a second so as to not waste ink. So from there, we just, if we just factor it out, we do x squared minus x, so we get minus 2x times, with negative 1 times negative 1 equals positive 1. So that's our green function, just basically factored out. So really, what we have is x squared minus 2 x plus 1 to the 1/2 power. Then from there we can use our other like basically how to take derivatives to basically take the derivative of this one from here, because now we just basically have polynomials. So we know that f prime would basically be to the 1/2 times this, because that's our current exponent. Then we keep our inner function the same. Except now it's raised to the -half power. Oh my god. -half power. Alright? And we also know that that's going to be multiplied by the derivative of this, so we then have, oh, I swapped a bit too early. So our x squared term turns into 2x minus 2. And that's basically all that we're left with. So then from there we can further simplify, because since this is a negative, and also like it turns into square root. So basically what we then have is, since we're multiplying by this, we turn into fraction. So 2x minus 2 over, oops, I kind of messed that up. That times 1/2. And I'm basically just going to make the rest of this red. Wait, that would be square root x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then from there, that's basically our derivative. I'm hoping that made sense, but I will admit I am a bit rusty, so I am sorry about that. And that should be it. Bye!